Don't cook jollof rice till you've watched this video. This is the base that takes your jollof from just okay to unforgettable. Hi faves, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm showing you exactly how to make the rich, smoky and flavorful base that's the heart and soul of any good jollof. I've already washed and cleaned my peppers off camera because a clean base starts with clean ingredients. For this recipe, I'm using green bell pepper for a gentle sweetness, Shombo for depth, and Tatashe for that gentle sweetness. I deseed them all so the base is not bitter. For the heat, I add some Scotch bonnet and Habanero peppers. I also added some fresh garlic and ginger for warmth and aroma. And most importantly, I add some fresh tomatoes and onions because without them, it is no longer jollof. For seasoning, I go in with cubes for that savory backbone. I also go in with some thyme, basil, and oregano for that herby lift. To help everything cook down beautifully and carry the flavors, I top it off with some vegetable oil. Here is a tip: no water. We let the natural juices from the peppers and tomatoes do all the work. This keeps the base flavorful and concentrated instead of watery. Once everything is soft and water completely dried, I take this off the heat. I let it cool a bit because blending hot food can be risky. And finally, I blend this until it is very smooth and velvety. When this is finally done blending, I transfer it into a bowl and top it off with extra vegetable oil. This helps to preserve it and lock in the flavor until I'm ready to make my jollof. And that is it, faves. The foundation of unforgettable jollof rice. Master this, and you've already won half the battle. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and share with a friend that loves jollof. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the full jollof rice tutorial coming soon. Your perfect plate starts here. See you in my next video. Bye.